Good morning, children. Let us learn EVS Lesson 6 Tongue and Teeth. In this lesson, we are going to learn about tongue, teeth, parts of a tooth, care of teeth, different kinds of teeth. Let us learn first about tongue. Our tongue is flexible muscular organ in the mouth. It has no bone in it. It enables you to lick, taste, swallow, and speak. It extends from the back of the mouth and it is attached to the floor of the mouth. The upper surface of our tongue has tiny bumps. These bumps contain the taste buds. Four kinds of taste buds are grouped together on certain area of a tongue. They help to taste four kinds of taste: sweet, salt, sour, and bitter. Let us learn about teeth. Teeth help us to cut, tear, chew, and grind our food. They give shape to our face and help us to speak clearly. Human beings have two sets of teeth. First one, temporary teeth and permanent teeth. Temporary teeth are called milk teeth. We have 20 of them. They emerged at around the age of 6 months and they fully developed at the age of 2 years and gradually lose at the age of 6 years. After 6 years, children will start getting permanent teeth. They stay for a long time and we have 32 of them and 16 in each jaw. We have upper jaw and lower jaw. Next about the parts of teeth. We have two parts. One is visible and another is invisible. The visible part contains crown. Crown has three layers. These are enamel, dentine and pulp. Each tooth is covered with a hard white layer called enamel. Enamel is the hardest substance in our body. Enamel prevents tooth decay and it also gives color to our teeth. Below the enamel is dentine. It provides support to the enamel. Inside the dentine, we have the pulp. Blood vessels and nerves are in the pulp region. Let us learn about kinds of teeth. There are four kinds of teeth in our mouth. They are incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. Let us learn first about incisors. Incisors are the sharp teeth. We have 8 of them, 4 in upper jaw, 4 in lower jaw. These teeth help in biting food. Next, canines. Canines are the sharp teeth on either side of the incisor. These teeth help to tear food. There are 4 canines, 2 in each jaw. Next, premolar. The broad teeth next to the canines are called premolars or cracking teeth. These help to grind and mash the food. Molars. Molars are behind premolars. There are 12 molars in our mouth, 6 in each jaw. They are used for vigorous chewing. This includes the wisdom teeth. Children, let us learn how to care of our teeth. The acid from food particles left in the teeth slowly destroys the enamel. This causes holes in the teeth called cavities. Plaque is also a tooth disease that forms yellow deposit on the teeth and also damages the teeth. Here are some tips for healthy teeth. We should brush our teeth at least twice a day, once in the morning and once at bedtime. Visit a dentist regularly for checkup. Use a soft bristle toothbrush. Change the toothbrush for every 3 months. Use floss to clean between the teeth. Drink milk and eat more milk products that are rich in calcium. Eat plenty of fresh fruits. Avoid eating too much junk food and chocolates. Rinse your mouth after every meal and remove the food particles. Brush correctly. Move the toothbrush from the gum towards the edge of the teeth. Move the brush back and front gently in short strokes. The healthier your teeth, the happier you look. Next about the question answers. Describe the tongue. Tongue is a flexible muscular organ. Tongue enables us to lick, taste, swallow and speak. Second question. What are the parts of a tooth? Draw and explain. The part of the tooth that is visible is called the crown. The part that is inside the gum is called the root. Each tooth is covered with a hard white layer called the enamel. Below the enamel is the dentine. Inside the dentine is the pulp. Blood vessels and nerves are in the pulp region. Third question. What are temporary and permanent teeth? Temporary teeth are 20 in number. They begin to emerge at around the age of 6 months and are fully developed by the time a child is 2 years old. We gradually lose our temporary teeth by the time we are 6 years old. This is the phase that permanent teeth develop. There are 32 permanent teeth, 16 in each jaw. Fourth question. Write a note about the kinds of teeth. There are 4 kinds of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. Incisors are the 8 teeth in the front and center of the mouth. They are used for biting food. Canines are sharp teeth on either side of the incisors. They help to tear food. There are 4 canines. Premolars are broad teeth next to the canines. They grind and mash the food. There are 8 premolars. Molars are premolars. They are used for vigorous chewing. There are 12 molars. Fifth question. What food should you avoid and what should you take for healthier teeth? We must eat food like milk and milk products and plenty of fresh fruits. We must avoid eating too much junk food and chocolates. Sixth question. What are the problems that we face when we do not take proper care of our teeth? The acid from food particles left in the teeth slowly destroys the enamel. This causes holes in the teeth called cavities. Plaque is also a tooth disease that forms yellow deposits on the teeth and can damage them. Next, second section, choose and write the correct options. There are 12 molars. Canine helps to tear food. Third one, temporary teeth are 20 in number. Fourth one, nerves and blood vessels are in the pulp. Fifth one, the tiny bumps on the surface on the tongue contain taste buds. Third section, write true or false. Correct the wrong statement. First one, tongue and teeth together help us to talk and eat. True. Second one, you should brush your teeth only once a day. False. You should brush your teeth twice a day. Third one, incisor helps to grind and chew food. False. Premolars help to grind and chew food. Fourth one, our tongue cannot taste bitter things. False. Our tongue can taste bitter things. Fifth one, canines are used for biting food. False. Incisors are used for biting food. Next, fill in the blanks. The hardest substance in the human body is the enamel. Second one, permanent teeth start growing at about the age of 6. Third one, you have 4 incisors in each jaw. Fourth one, tongue is a muscular, flexible organ.